Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's time for our weekly roundup of the top AI news this week. From open source video generation to AI co-hosts that transform your reading list into podcasts, there have been some truly game-changing developments in the world of AI. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into the most exciting AI news of the week. News number 1, ElevenLabs launches GenFM. AI co-hosts turn your content into podcasts. Let's dive into some exciting news from ElevenLabs, the company known for its cutting-edge AI audio technology. They've just announced a game-changing update with GenFM, a revolutionary feature that converts your reading material into engaging podcasts. Imagine transforming articles, PDFs, ebooks, or newsletters into dynamic audio experiences where AI co-hosts discuss and analyze the information. That's precisely what GenFM delivers. This innovative tool is currently available within the 11 Reader iOS app, with an Android version expected to launch soon. GenFM takes podcasting to a whole new level with the introduction of 2 unique, ultra-realistic AI co-hosts, each possessing distinct personalities to bring your content to life. These aren't your typical robotic voices. ElevenLabs has designed them with characteristics like upbeat, friendly, curious, and perceptive, creating a truly immersive and engaging listening experience. But it gets even better. GenFM offers multilingual capability, allowing you to listen to these AI-powered podcasts in 32 different languages. Whether you want to stay informed about global news, absorb thought-provoking book reviews, or even prepare for class, GenFM offers an accessible and engaging platform for learning and entertainment. Think about turning your commute, workout, or downtime into opportunities to explore the latest news, hear insightful book reviews, or even get ready for class with podcasts tailored to your interests, all powered by AI. Let's see the demo video shared by ElevenLabs team.
And as for Cinderella and the prince, they lived happily ever after.
There is always more to every story. And this is a brand new way to experience it. Introducing our new GenFM podcast feature. Say hello to your hosts.
I mean, seriously, I find Cinderella just so inspiring as a character throughout this whole book.
Yeah, I know, right? And she does it all in those tiny glass slippers. Unreal.
Now you can generate your own podcasts all at the click of a button.
All right, so let's dive into today's review topic, atomic theory.
Now this is one of my absolute favorite subjects. Where should we begin?
Choose any topic, any voices, any time.
Next, the recipe says to lay out the apple slices until the pan is full.
Ah, yes, this is a true classic of fine French cuisine.
Personalized podcasts for everyone around the world, and all in 32 different languages. GenFM, now available in your pocket with the 11 Reader app.
News number 2, RunwayML introduces Expand Video. Transform your video's aspect ratio with AI. RunwayML has just announced a groundbreaking new feature called Expand Video, which allows you to transform the aspect ratio of your videos by intelligently generating new areas around the original footage. This highly anticipated feature is currently being gradually rolled out and will soon be available to everyone in the Gen 3 Alpha Turbo model. Expand Video empowers storytellers to shape their narratives in exciting new ways by seamlessly extending the frame beyond its original boundaries. Imagine creating dramatic crash zooms and captivating pull-out reveals simply by expanding the video multiple times. You can even chain together a sequence of expansions to generate cinematic camera movements from static footage. But the creative possibilities don't stop there. Expand Video also allows you to guide the expansion process using text prompts or guiding images, giving you even greater control over the final composition. With this innovative tool, filmmakers and video creators can unlock new dimensions of visual storytelling and push the boundaries of their creative expression. Let's see the demo video shared by RunwayML Academy team.
Welcome to Runway Academy. Today, we're exploring the Expand Video tool. If you've ever been asked to reformat a horizontal video into a vertical video for social media, you know how difficult it is to reframe the video appropriately to fit inside the frame. Either it's zoomed way too far in and you lose a lot of details, or you opt to center frame the original horizontal video with a larger, blurrier version behind it. The Expand Video tool allows you to seamlessly generate beyond the edges of a frame to turn horizontal videos into vertical videos and vice versa, without compromising framing, losing any details, or defaulting to a blurred background. Head over to the Generative Video tool and make sure Gen 3 Alpha Turbo is selected to use Expand Video. If you upload a horizontal video, the model will automatically default to turning it into a vertical video, and you have a few different options. Option 1, click the Generate button without providing a text prompt. Option 2, provide a detailed text prompt telling the model what you're hoping to see in the parts of the frame that aren't visible. Or Option 3, provide the model with an outpainted image of the first frame of your video by dragging and dropping it onto the canvas. The Expand Video tool works best when your subject is close to the center of the frame, there are no graphics or text present in the video, and you use a text prompt to help guide the generation. You can expand live action footage, animated content, outputs from Act 1, or expand your scene with visual effects in mind. If you run multiple expansions in a row, you can create stunning wide shots of a scene. Then by overlaying the original footage onto the expanded canvas, you can create amazing super zooms. We're excited to see what you create with the Expand Video tool. As always, make sure to check out the help article for additional tips and tricks, join our Discord to see how our creator community is using the Expand Video tool, or to ask us a question directly, you can use this button on your dashboard at any time.
News number 3, Krea AI levels up video generation with Kling 1.5 integration. Krea.ai just dropped a major update that's going to take your AI video creation to the next level. They've integrated the powerful Kling 1.5 model into their platform, and that means you can expect even better results. Kling 1.5 is known for producing superior video quality with enhanced motion capabilities, ensuring smoother and more consistent results, especially when working with initial video. So whether you're creating stunning visuals for your projects or exploring the world of AI videos, this update is definitely worth checking out. Head over to Krea.ai and experience the enhanced creative power of Kling 1.5 for yourself. News number 4, DeepLearning.AI launches new course, Build Your Own AI-Powered Game. Hey everyone, looking to level up your AI skills and have some fun in the process? Well, DeepLearning.AI just dropped a brand new course that's perfect for you. It's called Building an AI-Powered Game, and it's going to teach you how to create your very own text-based game using the power of large language models. This short course, taught by experts from Together AI and AI Dungeon, is designed for beginners with basic Python knowledge. In under an hour, you'll go from zero to hero, building a playable game from scratch and learning essential LLM app development techniques. You'll master prompt engineering to craft immersive worlds and engaging storylines, set up the game's core mechanics, and even add an interactive user interface using Gradio. But it's not just about game development. You'll also explore crucial aspects like AI safety and compliance. You'll learn how to implement safeguards using LlamaGuard to ensure your game creates responsible content. And if you're interested in advanced features, the course covers LLM tool calling, which allows you to enhance your game's memory, track inventory, and showcase player progress. So head over to DeepLearning.AI and enroll in building an AI-powered game for free while it's still in beta. Let's see the demo video shared by DeepLearning.AI team.
I'm thrilled to introduce Building an AI-Powered Game built in partnership with Together AI and AI Dungeon, taught by Nikki Berkner and Nick Walton. This course will walk you through the process of using large language models to create an AI-powered game that you can play and share with your friends and family. One of the really interesting applications that I've seen that a lot of users spend a lot of time on are LLM-powered text-based games. Imagine a text-based Dungeons and Dragons-like game, if you know what that is. Nikki and Nick are two of the people at the forefront of this movement. In this course, you generate a world, set up interactive game loops, and implement game mechanics like item tracking and state updates. I'm delighted to introduce the instructors, Nikki Berkner, who's Senior Product Manager at Together AI, and Nick Walton, who is CEO and co-founder of Latitude, which is a company that created AI Dungeon. Nick and Nikki work together to help AI Dungeon continually improve the AI experience for players using Together's API service.
Thanks, Andrew. I'm excited to be here and share about how to build games with AI. In this course, you will start by using hierarchical content generation to create a world based on your prompt. Then integrate the world into an AI roleplay game. You'll learn to implement game mechanics using AI to convert text data into structured JSON, enabling features like an inventory detection system.
You'll also learn to enforce safety and compliance for AI content generation and create custom policies using LaMaGuard.
You learn the building blocks of game developments using large language models, and you implement something really fun in this course, and also see how to tune and further improve your system. In other words, what you learn will, I hope, be a game changer. Please enjoy the course.
News number 5. Anthropic partners with AWS for next-gen AI development. Anthropic and Amazon Web Services, AWS, have announced a major expansion of their collaboration, focusing on developing and deploying advanced AI systems. This partnership involves a new $4 billion investment from Amazon, bringing their total investment in Anthropic to a whopping $8 billion. This move solidifies AWS as Anthropic's primary cloud and training partner, while Amazon remains a minority investor. But this partnership goes beyond just funding. Anthropic is working directly with ElevenLabs at AWS to develop and optimize future generations of Trainium accelerators. These specialized machine learning chips are crucial for training powerful AI models like Claude, Anthropic's flagship AI assistant, which has already become a core infrastructure component for numerous companies through Amazon Bedrock. This collaboration enables Anthropic to optimize its AI models from the silicon level up, ensuring maximum efficiency and scalability. Plus, it allows organizations to fine-tune Claude models within the secure AWS environment, tailoring them to specific needs and boosting accuracy for specialized tasks. So keep an eye out for even more groundbreaking AI developments from this dynamic duo. News number 6. Lightricks releases open-source, real-time AI video generation model, LTX Video. Get ready for a game changer in the world of AI video generation. Lightricks, the company behind popular apps like Facetune and Video Leap, has just announced LTX Video, a revolutionary open-source model that empowers you to create stunning videos in real time. This breakthrough technology transforms images and text into flowing, vibrant videos, all at lightning speed. Imagine generating high-fidelity videos with exceptional detail and clarity, every frame sharp, vibrant, and true to your vision. LTX Video is designed for speed and efficiency, allowing you to create videos faster than real-time, meeting the demands of modern workflows. And the best part? It achieves seamless consistency across frames, ensuring smooth transitions and cohesive visuals that bring your projects together. LTX Video is optimized for both GPU and TPU systems, significantly reducing video generation times while maintaining high visual quality. It can even run locally on consumer GPUs like an RTX 4090, making high-quality video generation accessible and affordable. This open-source model is built on developer feedback and real-world use cases, delivering natural and lifelike results. It minimizes flickering and artifacts for smooth, reliable videos, and enables dynamic camera movements that bring your shots to life. Head over to GitHub, Hugging Face, or htfl.ai to explore the LTX Video Preview model. The full version will be released soon, and it will be free for both personal and commercial use, with integration into LTX Studio coming soon. News number 7. MIT's Jameel Clinic releases Boltz-1, a game changer for biomolecular modeling. Get ready for a major breakthrough in the world of biomolecular research. The MIT Jameel Clinic has just announced the release of Boltz-1, and it's a game changer. Boltz-1 is an open-source model designed to accurately predict the 3D structure of biomolecular complexes, and it's the first of its kind to achieve the same level of accuracy as AlphaFold 3, but with the huge advantage of being completely open source. This means that researchers, scientists, and anyone interested in biomolecular modeling can now access this powerful tool without any restrictions. The team at MIT Jameel Clinic has released the training and inference code, model weights, and even the training data under the MIT license, making Boltz-1 a true gift to the scientific community. This open approach is expected to foster collaboration and accelerate discoveries in fields like drug design and structural biology. But don't let the open source label fool you. Boltz-1 is a powerhouse. It has been rigorously tested and found to match the performance of Chai-1, a closed source replication of AlphaFold 3, on various datasets. In fact, Boltz-1 actually surpasses Chai-1 in specific areas, like predicting protein-ligand and protein-protein interactions, achieving an LDD-TPLI of 65% compared to Chai buy one's 40%. If you're excited about the future of biomolecular research, head over to the MIT Jameel Clinic's GitHub repository and join their Slack channel. You can also find a link to apply to their Boltz 1 seminar on December 5th. This is an opportunity to be part of a groundbreaking movement in open science. News number 8, Black Friday AI deals, Suno and Kling slash prices for a limited time. Black Friday is here, and that means amazing deals on all sorts of things, including AI tools. Two companies, Suno and Kling AI, are offering massive discounts on their products for a limited time. Let's take a look. First up, Suno is having a huge Black Friday sale with up to 40% off upgrades. This is your chance to unlock features like more song credits, access to the powerful V4 model, and early access to popular beta features like covers and personas. Plus, you'll get faster generation times with priority queue access. This sale runs until Cyber Monday at 11:59 p.m. PT, so don't miss out. Next, we have Kling AI with their Black Friday mega sale. This sale is even longer, running from November 15th to December 3rd, Los Angeles time. Kling AI is offering a whopping 50% off your first year when you sign up for an annual subscription. You can also get 50% extra credits on any credit purchase during the sale. And if you're a new user, you can unlock 3 extra coupons when you sign up for your first monthly subscription. So there you have it, 2 fantastic Black Friday deals for anyone looking to level up their AI game. Whether you're a musician, artist, or just want to explore the power of AI, be sure to check out these deals before they're gone. That's it for this week's top AI news. As always, the world of AI is moving at lightning speed, with new breakthroughs and innovations emerging every day. What was your favorite AI news story this week? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more AI updates, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.